Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your chemistry teacher and today we are going to study chapter 6 solutions. All of you are very much familiar with solutions as we are using solutions in our daily life. For example, water which we are using, it is a solution as it contains dissolved salts and minerals in it. Similarly, air which we breathe in is a mixture of different gases. So now, first of all, a definition of solution. What is a solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances that have uniform chemical composition throughout. So, we can have an example of air, as air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other rare gases in it. So, it is an example of solution. Now, come to the composition of solution. Before explaining composition of a solution, I would like to give you an example of sugar solution. Like when we prepare a sugar solution, we dissolve some amount of sugar in water. Over here, as sugar is in less amount, so while water is in more amount, the substance that is present in less amount in a solution is said to be solute, while the substance that is present in more amount in a solution is said to be a solvent. So we can say that a solution is composed of a solute and a solvent. Now come to aqueous solution. What is an aqueous solution? In Greek, aqua means water. So, all the solutions in which water is used as a solvent are known as aqueous solutions. Right? Now, we will discuss about the types of solutions. There are different types of solutions on the basis of amount of solute dissolved in it. These are unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated solutions. To explain this, take an example of sugar solution. Take 1 glass of water and add some 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. Stir it well. What will happen? Sugar will dissolve. Do you think it has ability to dissolve more amount of sugar in it, more amount of solute in it? Yes, it can dissolve more amount of solute in it. So such type of solution which has the ability to dissolve more amount of solute in it at a particular temperature is said to be an unsaturated solution. Right? Now, what you have to do, you will add 1 more tablespoon of sugar in the same solution. Stir it well, it will dissolve. Now add 1 more tablespoon of sugar in water. Now, if you will stir, all sugar will not dissolve. Some amount will settle down at the bottom. So such type of solution which cannot dissolve more amount of solute in it is said to be unsaturated, is said to be saturated solution. Then third type of solution, that is supersaturated solution. A supersaturated solution is the one which has more amount of solute than that required for the preparation of a saturated solution is said to be supersaturated solution. So these are the different types of solutions that are classified on the basis of amount of solute dissolved in it. Now, an activity we will perform that is very simple, that how you can identify saturated and supersaturated solution. For this, what you have to do, if you are having saturated and supersaturated solution, what you will do, you will add a crystal of solute in it. We can take sodium thiosulfate solution and we can add a crystal of sodium thiosulfate in both the solution. When if this crystal simply settles down at the bottom, then it shows that this solution is saturated solution. And if on adding crystal of sodium thiosulfate, crystallization start until you get a saturated solution. After the process of crystallization, that solution in which crystallization will start will be supersaturated solution. So this is how you can identify saturated and supersaturated solution. Now we will discuss types of solution on the basis of physical state of solute and solvent. There are different types of solution, that is solution of gases, solution of liquid and solution of solids. On this basis, first of all, we will discuss about solution of gases. How you can define solution of gases? The solutions in which solute is in gaseous state is said to be solution of gases. The solution in which both the solute and solvent are found in gaseous state are termed as gas and gas solution. For example, air. As in air, nitrogen gas is present as a solvent, while carbon dioxide, oxygen, they are present as solute. Similarly, you can take example of ammonia, that is a solution of nitrogen and hydrogen, and when ammonia and carbon dioxide they are mixed together, they form urea, a fertilizer. Then second kind of solution of gases, that is gas in liquid. The solutions in which solute is present in gaseous state while solvent is present in liquid state is said to be gas and liquid solution. For example, you can take example of clouds, mist and नहीं ये कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया. Sorry, gas and liquid. The example of gas and liquid are fizzy drinks, in which carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water. Similarly, water in which oxygen is dissolved, right? Then the third type of solution of gases is gas in solid. The solution in which solute is in gaseous state while solvent is in solid state are known as gas and solid solutions. And example of this is when vegetable oil is converted into vegetable ghee by passing hydrogen gas in the presence of a nickel catalyst. In this example, hydrogen gas is adsorbed on the surface of nickel metal. So these are the solution of gases. Then come to the second type of solutions, that is solution of liquids. How you can define these solution of liquids? The solutions in which solute is present in liquid state are said to be solution of liquids. In these solutions, there are different types of solution of liquids. Number 1, liquid in liquid. Number 2, liquid in gas. And the third one is liquid in solid. Now we will first of all discuss liquid in gas. The example of such type of solution is clouds, mist, in which liquid water vapors, they are liquid water is present in air. Water droplets, they are present in air, in which solute is in liquid state and solvent is in gaseous state. Second type of this is liquid in liquid. The solutions in which both the solute and solvent are found in liquid state are known as solution of liquids, that is liquid in liquid. Example of this is fermentation of cane sugar produces 95% volume by volume of ethyl alcohol called rectified spirit, in which 95% ethyl alcohol is dissolved in 5 cm cube of water to make 100 cm cube of solution. Similarly, 5% mass by mass solution of acetic acid is known as vinegar. Third type of the solution of liquids is liquid in solids. The solutions in which solute is present in liquid state while solvent is present in solid state are said to be liquid in solids. A very common example of such type of solution is amalgam. What is an amalgam? Amalgam is a mixture of liquid mercury in metals such as silver. These are called as amalgam. These amalgam are used for filling dental cavities. They are found in semi-solid state. When a dentist places it in cavity, after some time it hardens and fills the cavity. Then the solution of solids. Third type of such type of solution is solution of solids. How we can define solution of solids? The solutions in which solid is present in solute as a solute are said to be solution of solids. These are again are of 3 types. Number 1 is solid in gas, number 2 solid in liquid, and number 3 is solid in solid. First of all, solid in gas. The example of these solid in gas are smoke. In what is smoke? In smoke, basically carbon particles, solid carbon particles, they are suspended in air. Then in solid in liquid, in such type of solution, solid is used as a solute while solvent is found in liquid state. You are familiar with many examples like well water. Well water contains calcium carbonate dissolved in water. Similarly, sugar solution, right? It contains sodium chloride dissolved in water. Then come to the type of, similarly 0.85% mass by mass sodium chloride solution is used for treating patients suffering from dehydration. Then the third type of solution of solid, that is solid in solid. The solution in which both the solute and solvent they are found in solid state are said to be solution of solid, right? And example of such type of solution are alloys. What is an alloy? An alloy is a mixture of different metals like brass. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Steel. Steel is an alloy of iron containing small amounts of carbon and silicon. Similarly, different gemstones, they are solid solutions. So this is all about types of solution. Okay, then Allah Hafiz. Now, concentration units. How you can define concentration unit? The unit that is used to represent the concentration of a solution is said to be concentration unit. And the quantity of a solute present in a given amount of a solvent or solution is called concentration of a solution. We use different units to represent the concentration of a solution. Over here we will discuss percentage and molarity. Percentage is how you can define percentage of a solution, the amount of solute that is present in 100 cm cube of solution is known as percentage of a solution. For example, concentrated sulfuric acid is 98% and concentrated HCl is 37%. This means concentrated sulfuric acid contains 38 grams sulfuric acid in 98 grams sulfuric acid in 100 gram of solution, right? And such type of solution which are commercially available, they are said to be stock solution. Now, properly how we can define percentage? By percentage we mean the mass or volume of a solution dissolved in 100 gram or 100 cm cube of a solution. There are different units used to represent percentage. These are mass by mass, mass by volume, volume by volume, and volume by mass. Mass by mass, what does it mean? Like if you dissolve 10 gram sodium chloride in 90 gram water to make 100 gram of solution, the concentration of solution will be 100% mass by mass, as we are taking both the quantities in grams. Then mass by volume. If you dissolve 10 gram sodium chloride in sufficient quantity of water to make 100 cm cube of solution, that solution is said to be 10% mass by volume. Now, volume by volume. Volume by volume means that you are taking quantities of both the solute and solvent in cm cube. Like 10% volume by volume sodium chloride solution, 10% volume by volume ethyl alcohol solution means that you have taken 10 cm cube of ethyl alcohol and you have dissolved it in 90 cm cube of water to make 10% volume by volume ethyl alcohol solution. Then the last unit is volume by mass. When you take this quantity of solute in cm cube while solvent in grams, then such type of solution, their percentage is represented by volume by mass. Like over here we can give an example of 10 cm cube of alcohol dissolved in water to make 100 gram of a solution. So this is all about that how we can represent percentage of a solution. Now come to the second unit, that is molarity. If you read label on the bottle concentrated sulfuric acid, right, then you may have studied that it is 18 molar sulfuric acid. That means we have dissolved 18 molar sulfuric acid in 1000 cm cube of solution. Simply how we can define molarity? Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved per dm cube of solution, and mathematically the formula of this is m is equal to moles of solute divided by dm cube of solution. This is how we can find out the molarity of a solution, and that is the unit for finding out the concentration of a solution. Okay, bete, this is I think enough for today.